A bite.
Eat it.
Finish it. Finish it. Bro.
Okay, it's right there. Put the wrong sock on the wrong foot.
Let's go, Chris. For $10, bro. You gotta eat the whole thing inside.
It's not. I didn't know it was open.
Nah. You gotta eat it.
You should now.
Eat it from the other side. Eat it from the other side.
You're here now. Come on, Chris.
Come on, Chris. You got this.
Let's go, Chris.
$10 off. Chris.
Come on, just one bite. Just one bite.
No. You just eat the whole thing.
Oh, the whole thing?
The whole thing.
Oh, the whole thing now.
No, you said the whole thing.
Just one bite. Just one bite.
I'm not paying for one bite. You're eating the whole thing.
Just one bite.
Eat that shit, Chris. Eat it up like a man.
Let's go, Chris. Come on. That's it. A bite.
Eat it.
Finish it. Bro.
So how was the banana?
Nasty.
How do you feel right now? You feel like you need to throw up?
I already did 3 times.
Oh yeah. Well, now you got $10, so you're $10 richer.
Yeah.
Think about it like that.
Yes.
Yeah. What's up, guys? So right now I am in pre-cal and we're supposed to be doing work, but as usual, we don't do anything in this class. You know, we got a project that's due today, and so far I got barely anything. Hold on, let me get back to y'all. I need to turn the camera around.
But I don't. So there's no weed.
I don't see anything. I see a blank.
Look, not everybody on YouTube is gonna have the answers to my questions.
Oh yeah, he has the answer.
I'm doing my work.
Soldier right here.
I need a grade.
Hey, I had a new idea. Okay, now, last time I said comment Halloween themes, comment your favorite throwback Disney show. What's your favorite
Disney show.
Yeah, like the old Disney show.
So basically, we might figure out whatever they
Oh yeah.
What about you?
just need to figure out.
Mine would have to be.
Are you still pressing it to me?
Yes.
So you-
Okay. Mine would have to be That's a Raven.
Dude, that was mine.
Sorry. Yeah, that was a good show. That was a good show. So.
What was your favorite Disney TV show?
Disney TV show, probably Lilo and Stitch when I was about ages from 2 to maybe 4.
Ages
And
of
then
2.
the rest, probably Jesse, bro. That shit slapped.
Get
R.I.P.
out.
Cameron boy. Thank you, man. Rest in peace, man.
Amber's not here.
I would say possible.
Hey.
That's a good one too.
So here is Amber. She wants to be in every vlog. So I'm gonna ask her the question that I asked everybody else. What is your favorite old school Disney Channel show?
Hannah Montana.
I had a feeling that was gonna be
We
it.
both agreed on That's a Raven.
Oh, That's a Raven slap. I'm trying to think of all of them. I used to love Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. And then when Sweet Life on Deck came around, I had a fat crush on Cody.
Dude, they grew up so nicely.
Yeah.
What's up, everyone? So right now I'm walking home. It was a long ass day. It looks like it's gonna rain today, so that'll be good. We need the rain. But I'm super exhausted. I'm probably gonna eat some food. I have a lot of errands to run today, so I won't be able to really rest that much. And I have a shit ton of homework to do, so that's gonna be a great time. I will see y'all guys later. Good morning, everyone. So we just got to the school. We're going to practice right now. It's gonna be a recovery day. We had a hard day yesterday, so I'm glad today is a recovery. My leg's kind of sore still, but I put some icy hot on it last night, and it helped a little bit, but it's still a little bit sore. But I will see y'all guys after practice because I'm already running late as usual. Late to everything, so I will. What's up, guys? So right now we are sitting down. We're probably gonna stretch and and do some recovery. I'm still pretty down about this morning. I wasn't able to run with the whole team. Genevieve wants to say hi. But yeah, so hopefully I get better. I don't know what's wrong with my leg, but hopefully I figure it out because I want to do good for Saturday. And this is Jacob. Jacob, you want to tell him how much food you ate today?
How much what?
How much food you ate?
Oh, fuck you. I didn't even eat that much.
He ate a lot of food.
He's tall. All you have to do is bang low. He's tall. All you have to do is bang low. Why weren't you at practice?
I was actually. You didn't see me, I was too big.
Oh yeah? Okay. What's today, Paula?
Game day.
Yeah.
What's up, everyone? So right now I'm walking out of class because I needed a little break. I was getting really tired. I'm really tired today. Just been really long and trying to catch up with all my work and everything. But I'm excited for the game day. But I will see you guys later because I'm probably gonna go to the restroom.
Hey guys, so here's Carter getting his Chromebook for.
What's up, everyone? So I just got home right now. It's really bright out here. Sorry if I'm squinting right now, and I'm wearing all black, so it makes it even worse. I don't think I'm gonna go to the football game. I'm really tired today. I mean, I wanna go support my school, but I haven't got any rest all week, so I think I'm just gonna stay home and chill. So yeah, unfortunately there will be no football footage in this vlog today, but next Friday, I'm sure I'll go. But I will see y'all when I get inside because it's like really hot. Good morning, guys. So right now it is 4 in the damn morning. I woke up this morning at around 2 o'clock. I fell asleep really early last night, so I woke up at 2. And I actually feel like wide awake now. I mean, I've been up for the past 2 hours now. But yeah, I have to get up right now because of practice, I think at 6 or 6:30, I'm not sure. But right now I'm just gonna get ready and probably make my lunch, you know, stretch, do all that kind of stuff. And I will see y'all guys when I'm at the school. What's up, guys? So I'm at the school now, and I just realized that practice is at 6:30, not 6. So there's literally nobody here. So I guess I'm just gonna chill by myself for the next 30 minutes. So that's cool. I mean, I'm never on time anyways, so I guess one day that I'm on time is gonna be a surprise to everyone. But yeah, so wish me luck. Hopefully I don't, you know, die alone in the locker room. But yeah, I will see you guys. So here's an update. I'm still alone, you know, sad boy hours right now. But yeah, hopefully practice goes good today. I hope my leg doesn't give out on me like it has all week. Cause I'm kind of worried about it for tomorrow. I mean, it doesn't hurt that bad right now, but just because it doesn't hurt right now doesn't mean it can't hurt later on. Cause I've literally tried everything like in the book to make it feel better. So hopefully it'll be good for tomorrow because I want to compete and I want to, you know, be better than I was last time, because last time it wasn't, in my opinion, I didn't do that well. Everyone else is like, oh yeah, you did good, but just for me personally, I don't think, especially this far into the season, I don't think I should be having that certain time or even place. I should be improving every meet, but you know, hopefully this one is a big improvement, at least from the last meet. So I guess we will find out. just finished practice right now. I'm eating this crappy wannabe breakfast. They said they were gonna have pancakes and they lied, and it's just this crappy, I don't know what it is, but definitely not worth it in the long run to eat it. Practice was okay today. It was really short.
What, practice? It's pretty long.
Oh, well, Carlos likes it. I don't like it.
We'll watch a movie.
I'm making a movie. Yeah. What's up, guys? So we're waiting for Coach.
Looking busty.
It's Friday the 13th.
Oh, it is.
Yep.
What's the move?
The move is
School.
let's not get murdered today. That's the move. So yeah.
Yes, it is.
Don't listen to
Check
Chris.
yourself.
Chris is
Chris, shut
so like I don't know. He was probably dropped as a baby like several times. But yeah. So we're just gonna. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're probably just gonna ice bath and stuff like that. Just recover for tomorrow. Tomorrow is our meet.
You look so glowy. You go like this.
What's up, guys? So today was a productive day in pre-cal for once. For once, I actually understood what I was doing, and this is all the work I've done. It might not look like a lot, but I'm understanding it. And here is the rest of it. So here's Amber. How much did you get done?
I wrote down the notes.
Oh wow.
That's it.
What about you, Destiny? How much you get done?
I like that you called us the rest of the gang too. That was. He accepts us now.
We're the gang.
What about you? How much did you get done?
I got a solid half.
It's good. It's good. It's way more than her, that's for sure.
Oh, and I finished with the quizzes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we need to do the quiz.
I need to do one more quiz.
I got an 85 on the second one.
417.
Oh wait, call Cameron. I need to ask him about the game. Cameron, how was the game yesterday?
It was literally so boring. We just tried.
What was the score? What was the score?
What was
59.
it? It was not 59. It was like 56. I kicked. I was like, I made all my field goals.
That's good. That's good.
Kicked like 2 or 3 touchbacks.
Oh yeah.
I'm cold. I'm tired. I'm just pissed off. I don't have an offer.
All right. Let's see. So as you can tell, Better Tomorrow's football is pretty savage.
Something we're good at.
We got soccer.
But cross country though.
Yeah, cross
Oh, yeah,
country
go look at
though.
your meet, guys.
Tomorrow,
We have all
6 a.m. 6 a.m.
We'll be here.
Carter, how are you gonna do tomorrow?
I'm gonna do okay.
Make a record.
Yes.
Have a fun weekend.
All right. What's up, guys? So I'm outside right now. It feels really good. I just wanted to come out here and sit down on the grass. But I have some bad news. I won't be able to run tomorrow. My coach and my trainer think it's best for me just to set out on this meet, mainly because my leg has been really killing me all week. I don't know exactly what I did, but it's just been really sore. A lot of pain whenever I run. And so I'm not sure exactly what it is, but they think it's better if I just, sit out this meet, which sucks for me, but it's better if I recover and get better than, try to run a race and, do really bad and injure myself even more. So, there's that, but I hope you all enjoyed today's video. It was a really good week. It was long, but it was a fun week. So I will see y'all guys on Monday. Bye for now.